Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Manitoba Fishing Adventures. Josh here. The wind picked up like crazy. It was beautiful all day, no wind at all, but we got some pretty big rainstorm that just went south of us. Thank God didn't hit us, but we're out here. I got Colton with me down at the boat. Ashton's in the boat shed, and we're gonna try catching some dang walleye, and then we're gonna try cooking them up. A little catch and cook. Got out here, it's beautiful. Got the boat in the water for the first time, and it floats. It turned on, no problem. Colton, say hi with those nice sunglasses.
How's it going?
How's it going? Yeah, the boat is running flawlessly. We tried to put the sonar on it. We're gonna head out, do some jigging, maybe some casting. But I actually got something in the mail that I was expecting. I think, I haven't opened it yet, but if it is what I think it is, it's gonna help with the whole catch and cook idea. But it's in the boat shed. I'm gonna show you guys what it is, open up in front of you and show you what it contains. So head in the boat shed and cut her open. All right guys, this is the box that came in the mail. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside, hopefully help with our little excursion today. What if it wasn't what I thought it was? Oh no, we're good. All right, check it out. So we got some catch and cook, the OG crunchy original, and we got the new spicy flame. I'm not a big spice guy personally, but definitely got to give it a whirl. And then we got the new 3 catch and cook coatings. We got all-terrain, whiteout, and campfire. Huge shout out to Jay and Josh from Catch and Cook. Appreciate it. I hopefully gonna enjoy it. I already tried the original stuff and it was delicious. So I'm excited to try this flame. And Colton, flip it around. Oh, here we go. Colton's like, you like spicy things though,
yeah, I do.
right? Yeah, so he's a spice guy, so I'm excited to try this, but this is brand new, and I can't wait to give it a whirl. Now all we gotta do is get on the water, find the walleye, and as soon as we catch 1 or 2, we're gonna cut them up. We got a Fish Ninja, locally made portable filleting station, made in Manitoba. We got a little barbecue, some oil, some catch and cook, and we're all set. So stay tuned until we're on the boat and hopefully get some fish.
Yeah, so Grant's is just on this side over here.
All right, we're fishing now. Colton's shorts are still very bright. Ashton's tying a new jig on, and I'm using a little Z-Man paddle tail, the 3/8 ounce jig. And we're just fishing these 2 reefs. There's like one that comes out in front of us over here, about 15 feet, and then one to the left of us over here that comes up to about 10 feet, and we're sitting kind of in the middle of it and just casting along, hopefully getting a walleye to cook up and fill our bellies later. So stay tuned until we get a fish. Yeah. No, it's gonna be small. Oh, baby! Woo! Walleye!
Yeah, don't think it's me inside.
What do you mean? Doesn't matter. That's what, the 13 slot, right? Yeah, that is way, dude. That's a fish. That is a keeper. Hooked up. Oh, it's a nice walleye. Eater, baby, eater. Nice. 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 On a paddle tail. That's gonna be legal. We're gonna check it on the board. All right, number 2. We got 2 eater walleye now. We are looking good for this catch and cook. Just using that little what is it? It's a paddle tail, little minnows. I'm gonna throw it in here. Doot doot. There's the other guy. Check it out. That looks like some tasty walleye to me. Hello guys, say hello. What do you think, dude?
Yeah, I gotta get a rod in.
Yeah, you better get a rod in. We're back at the dock now. We got 2 walleye. Gonna cook it up. Try this new catch and cook. We got a cameraman right here. He's gonna record the whole thing. So 2 walleye is the dinner table for tonight. Wasn't fantastic fishing, but at least we got a few. Just to at least try out this new batter. And it was a beautiful day, so it's pretty tough to beat this right now. It's pretty nice weather, and Colton gets to eat some spicy fish after this. So. So the butter's kind of working. Looks good. Smells good. Now we just gotta wait for it to cook, and we're gonna give it a try. What do you think?
It's gonna burn coming out.
Hey guys, here's the final product. You come in front of the camera, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if it's too hot or not.
Pretty hot, sure.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is hot.
Wow. Not bad?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good?
Oh, unreal. Ooh, it's
Wow,
got a kick
yeah,
to it though.
it does.
It definitely has a kick.
Yeah. Wow.
That's nice.
That's very good.
Yeah.
I'm not a spice guy.
That is pretty spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that's gonna wrap up the day. We went out, caught some fish, got to catch it, got to cook it, and the new spice from Catch and Cook is fantastic. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can purchase some for yourself and give it a try. Other than that, it is a beautiful night, and we were probably gonna head back out and do some fishing. We just wanted to make sure we got a couple for the video. And yeah, Colton, you wanna give anyone your final words?
Not really.
No?
No.
You're a little shy?
Yeah.
Little camera shy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and stay tuned to the next episode of Manitoba Fishing Adventures. Colton's hooked. Oh, that's a bass. That's a bass. Now he's stressing. Now he's stressing. Now he is stressing. Oh, it's gonna jump. It's gonna jump. It's gonna jump. It's gonna jump. I can see it. Dang. Woo! It's a nice fish. Yeah, it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish.
Even that distance doesn't want to come in.
Oh, it's not huge. I lied. But it's not small. But it's not huge. I thought it was a lot bigger. Yeah. Done deal.
All right. I'm not just a pike guy.
Well, I wouldn't say that. There it is.
It's a nice little bass.
Screwed up face. Hold it. Show the camera. So after a nice dinner, nice little catch and cook, we're slamming bass at sunset. Pretty tough to beat that. Awesome, my guy. You wanna release her?
Nice one. Or come to the front. Yes, sir. All right.
Off she goes. It fought hard though, eh?
Yeah, I did.
That fought real good.
Yeah, kept the fight going, so.
Nice.
All right.
Beautiful. Can't complain. Nothing to complain about here, folks.
Yeah, that's a big walkway.
Yeah. Go up and down every day would be long. Oh. Please be a bass. Watch the camera. It's not on its thing. Please be a bass. I'm recording it. Oh, that's a big walleye. Dude, that's a nice walleye. Oh, that's a really nice walleye. Colton stopped recording by mistake, unfortunately.
You'll be able to snip it.
Yeah, I'll snip it together. I'll show you guys. It's a nice walleye, though. That's a really nice walleye. Yeah.
Oh, that's a real nice.
Up in the shallows. Look at that. Evening bites for walleye, ladies and gents. On a paddle tail. That's like a 20-inch fish or something. There we go. That one would have been too big to keep. Beautiful. Nice non-greenback, nice dark brown shield walleye. Cool, cool. I'm gonna sauce that. Want to grab the camera and lift her up? You can lift her from the tripod. Just to the side here. All right, off she goes. That one bit, and it was like, woo, I'm like, ooh, that's got some big head shakes. Nice. Love walleye fishing. Yeah. Well, I'll do the whole catch and cook, and I'll have this after. Like, hey, yeah, we ate, now we're just out fishing for fun. Yeah. There's one. Oh, motor, stop turning.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's good. Oh, it feels heavy now. Oh, another nice walleye, dude. Are you kidding me?
God.
Are you kidding me? We were talking about how we weren't planning on coming out here after, but we're like, we might as well not waste the night. So we did the catch and cook, and that, my friends, would have been literally the perfect walleye to catch and now cook, but we already did that, so.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. All right, so that's another sunset walleye. We're not keeping any more left, so. Cool.
Yeah, why can't we get that
Love it. Where was that, like, a couple hours ago? Crazy. The funny thing is we drive all the way, probably like 50 minutes to try this one spot. And right now we're literally like 2 minutes from his cabin, not even, just trolling, and we're catching way more fish now than we were before. So, I don't know. Fishing is mainly about luck, I guess. Helicopter, airplane. What? Helicopter, airplane. Right there. Oh, bite. There's fish. You see that? Oh, another little walleye. This walleye fishing is awesome tonight. Cool. Sorry, bud. If you didn't flop everywhere. That's recording. Hooked up again, ladies and gents. Casting shorelines. I have no idea what this is yet. It's another walleye. And it is another walleye. It's another walleye. Why weren't we fishing here before?
You got it?
Yeah. And that's another perfect eater.
Yeah, that is.
Another perfect dang eater. We could have had a full course meal. Woo! I think I'm turning into a walleye fisherman, ladies and gents. I think it's happening. I've crossed over the dark side, right?